Hi, I'm Tina and thanks for stopping by my channel today. I am doing like a true unboxing here. This is my package. It's from Simply Gilded. It's my subscription box and this is like massive. Holy cow. I honestly have no idea what's in here. I did not get a chance to like go to the site to just check out to see like what might be coming in here. So I am going to just start opening this up. You can see it's sealed. I haven't done anything. I came home and this was sitting at my doorstep and I am super excited. I feel like it's Christmas morning. All of our stuff is so beautiful all of the time. I'm trying to be really careful because this is just like really packed. Oh my gosh, what on earth? What on earth? Whoa. I am just like completely, this is like my true reaction going on here, okay? I have no idea what's in here and holy cow, already, this is really cute. Okay. Okay. All right, so the color is it's so pretty. All right, I'm just gonna pull everything out and I just have to, say that there is going to be like a description card in here because she always sends one. There's always a mystery item. I don't know where that's gonna fall, so I'm hoping it doesn't like fall out and maybe I can, oh my God, there's so much stuff in here. Okay, I'm just gonna pull this out and I apologize if you see the mystery item, but like, holy cow, wow, there's like more stuff in here. Oh my gosh, I feel so spoiled right now. Fond memories for the November 2020 box. And this is everything that is going to be in here. So I think what I will do is move everything to the side and then that way I can go through it in detail and not be so like disorganized when I show you everything. I'll try to like go in order, but I just kind of wanted to share with you that first unboxing, opening up because wow, look at everything in here. And this is like stuffed and this is so cute. Oh my gosh. All right. So I'm going to go and move everything to the side and then I will be like right back with everything and we can go through it. Okay, I am back and I have got washi. It's all unwrapped. It just like takes me forever to unwrap the washi. I don't know if there's like a trick to it that I'm just like missing out on, but I like to just kind of do that off camera so that way you can see everything and you don't have to like see me struggle unwrapping washi tape for you. But there are 6 of them here and look at the beautiful collection. I love it. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So we've got this really pretty it's this pink and it's just such a beautiful, like a baby, beautiful pink. Look at that with the bows and then just like the little gold foil, little dots on there. It's just so beautiful. And I am going to go ahead and just swatch it out for you. And I'm going to just use the back of the card to do that. Just want to get in close for you. All right, and then there's this one, which is like kind of like a chocolatey color, and it has this bow on here and this foil, gold foil, just like running like right through that, like a line. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. I love these colors. And then the next one that I am undoing is this one right here. And this has got like that glittery type of texture. It's definitely a thicker washi. It's a checkered, like a black and white check plaid. And it's got that gold bow on there. Look at how pretty that is. so pretty. Now this one's always the thicker one. Now we've got a wider pink with the bow on there and the gold foil. That's really pretty. So it's the same as that skinny one, but this one's a wider. Oh, so pretty. Okay, now these two were packaged together, and this one is like got a little gold scallop on there. And let's swatch this one out for you, and it's like that that bluish kind of aqua-y coloring. And now I'm wondering, that I don't think that's black. That looks like it's closer, like more of like a bluish. It is. Okay. So when I first saw it like in the roll, it looked like it was a black and white, but it definitely has like more of a bluish tone in here. So that like kind of like goes really nicely with that. Now this last one here, it's like a pinky purpley color. It's really more of like a purpley color. And then it's got in foil lettering. I love the font. And it says, let's see, where's your start? Memories, love, gratitude. And it just repeats. Oh, that's so pretty. So we can just like take it right here. And then it's got these really cute foil gold hearts in between each of the words. Oops. Oh no, I didn't cut it right. Oh my goodness. These are so pretty. I hope you can see all of the detail in there. Oh my goodness. Really, really beautiful. All right. So the next item is the deluxe storage pouch, and that's this one right here. And look at the florals that are in here, and that matches with the florals that are on the washi, like right here, right? It's very similar. And the colors like all go nicely, really, really pretty. So this seems like it's definitely got like some stuff in here, but it's just, I think, what's the pouch itself. So I haven't opened it up yet. I'm gonna open it up with you, but let's just look at the outside here. It's got this little zipper here. So we've got a pocket. Ooh, that goes all the way down to the bottom. So that's pretty cool. And it is gold hardware on here. The back side is just simple. Okay. And we've got the zip around here. And let's open it up and see what's in here. Oh my goodness. All right. So we've got all kinds of things here for like traveling. We've got a couple of pockets. And those go all the way down, it seems. And we've got a peekaboo heart pocket here. And then we've got this little clear pouch with the zipper. And that looks like that snaps in here. So you could take that out. Okay. Then we've got a little like kind of fly leaf with some places to put your pens or pencils. Oh, and same thing on the back side. Okay. Wow. Okay, so you can put probably like a small little planner in here, or maybe your stickers. You want to keep like your stickers in here, or you can use this like if you are, well, who's traveling right now, right? But anyway, for traveling purposes, you could like maybe use this for makeup and put like your makeup brushes in here and put all your makeup in here. And you got this little pouch, and then this snaps. So you've got some versatility here, and this also unsnaps. So that's kind of cool. Let's see. All right. So yeah, you can sort of, you know, let's say you don't need this little fly leaf, but yet you want to have this. You can have that in there. So that's pretty cool. And then this, let's see. I think if you just wanted to have it like this, I bet you could use this as like a little pen loop maybe. No, not really. It seems like it would be, but not really. Okay, wow. Okay, so this is cute. I love the color. I'm gonna move this to the side here. And then the large fawn pattern pouch, we already saw that. That's really pretty. That's this right here. That's what everything came in. Then we have a deluxe sticker kit plus bonus. Oh my goodness. All right, so let's find the deluxe sticker kit. Oh, and bonus. So that is going to be all of this right here. So this is like the regular sticker book format, or sticker kit format. I don't know why I said sticker book, but let's open this up. Okay, so I just took all of that out of the packaging, and this is everything that's in like the sticker kit. So this is like her regular format that you would get in the subscription box. And these are heart icons here. And they're really pretty. They have like this little like shimmer to them. So that's pretty. And then now we have the dates also in the heart shape, and they're foiled in gold. Those are really pretty. Just like very delicate. I love that. Now we've got our like boxes here. So we've got like half boxes, and we've got a little deco here, and then like, I wouldn't really say that's a full box, but, and then we've got some checklists, really, really pretty. Obviously all the same color scheme. Ooh, and then we've got the bow seals. I love these. I love this one. I love it. The patterns are so pretty. Oh my goodness. And then here's the actual like kit itself, and you get 2 weeks worth of days of the week stickers. And then there's like an extra, like this one says vacation and this one says me time. And then we've got some full boxes. And then there's some headers down and through here, some checklists, some little bow deco. And then there's also some like icons here. And that's really pretty. I really like that one. Ooh, look at that. That's so pretty. The pink, or the pink winter scape. I like that. And then this last one here, we've got, again, with gold foil and everything. Look at that deer. So pretty. The fawn. And then we've got some headers here and some stickers and some more like decorative headers and deco. That deco is so pretty. We've got some flags. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Now this is an extra bonus. Oh my goodness. This is like, I feel like this is a year in review of her boxes. Okay, so on this side, look at how beautiful this is. This is really pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that with the foil and the little like confetti flakes of foil. The sleigh joy. I love that one. Oh, that's pretty. They're all beautiful. Like every sticker on here is just so beautiful. The pink animal print with the gold bow. And then she's calling these deco cards. Oh my God, that's so beautiful. And then look at this one here. This is so pretty. Like, I feel like this was in one of her boxes, and this one, I didn't get like the full year, but oh my goodness, these are really pretty. Oh my goodness, very, very beautiful. Okay, the next item we have here is the engraved gel ink pen. I love it. It is like gold. Look at that. And it is engraved with Simply Gilded. I love the pens that we get in the boxes. They are beautiful. They work wonderfully. And then we've got a sticky notepad. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Look at how pretty. I love the pink. I'm loving this pink. Oh, and then look at it. It's like wrapped. Oh, so cute. I just love it. I love it. Look at that. And it's got her little bow on there. Aww. Oh, I love this. This is so pretty. So pretty. And then we've got our Stitched B6 notebook, and that's this one right here. See, now that is definitely, like, it's not really black, it's a gray. So I'm thinking that the washi, this matches the washi tape. Okay, look at that. It's so pretty. I love that with the gold foil. Ooh, and now this one's blank. Oh, what happened here? I've got some little flakes. All right, and this one is blank. So I like that. You can, you know, do whatever you want in here. This is so cute. I love this. So it's just so pretty. All right, now we are on to the vellum sheet set. Oh, that's so pretty. So this is the same pattern, and it says Fall in Love. Oh my gosh, and that beautiful gold foil. Oh, I love the vellum sheets. And then this one here in like the fawn. Oh my goodness, and it totally looks like fawn. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. There's a couple of extra things in here, and then there's the mystery item. Everything came in this really cute folder. I really like the way she did that. And then I have this like journaling card here, which I don't see like listed on here, but that's the really pretty journaling card. And then the mystery item, I am so sorry, but I pulled this out because, again, I didn't know what the mystery item was, and I wanted you to see like the full, like how everything was like packaged, because it was so packed in here. But look at it, it's a little, oh, it's a little hair. It's like for your hair. Yeah, it's really cute. All right, so that is everything in the November subscription box from Simply Gilded. And if this is the first time you're seeing anything from her shop, be sure to go check her out, because all of her stuff is just really beautiful and soft and feminine. If you want to see what she has to offer, I will put her link down below in my description box. Her quality is amazing. Like her washi tapes, they're beautiful. They're absolutely stunning. And you get like an awesome assortment of items in the subscription boxes. So these are kind of like what you sort of see in every box. You know, you get your beautiful washi, and there's a pen, and you get a sticker kit, and there's some sort of notebook. And so, you know, and then little things here and there will, you know, switch out, and she'll make it fun and just really exciting to get this every month. Well, I hope you enjoy this unboxing, and I am so happy that I shared this with you, because I was really, really excited about it, and I hope that you really liked it. And if you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. Remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. That way you will be notified when I put out videos. And I'm also on Instagram at It's a Wonderful Plan, so be sure to check me out there, because you will see things there you don't always see here on my YouTube. And if you prefer Facebook, look me up on Facebook. I have a page there as well at It's a Wonderful Plan. Thanks again for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye.